conflict. I don't want to respond to anyone online. I don't want to respond to anything. I don't explain myself. I just want an easy life. But let me tell you, sometimes it is so hard to just let it go, because people will just question things for the sake of questioning them and cause chaos where there's no need for chaos. How? Bestie, let me tell you, it is super hard and decide, you know what, I'm gonna let this thing go. I'm not gonna respond to this. I'm just gonna let it go. But letting it go is so hard, because it's so easy to get angry and want to react. But sometimes, not even sometimes, for me especially, most times I would actually love to let things go. I don't want to fight. I don't want to have conflict. I don't want to respond to anyone online. I don't want to respond to anything. I don't explain myself. I just want an easy life. But let me tell you, sometimes it is so hard to just let it go, because people will just question things for the sake of questioning them and cause chaos where there's no need for chaos. How?
Hi guys, ngiyayizwela ukuthi uDJ Zinhle uthini. So people were commenting hayibo under this video. Hey, ayingoba abantu shame. Athi lona, one thing about Musa Khawula, he doesn't lie. Okusho ukuthi lo muntu lo uyakholwa ngempela ukuthi uMather Bongs, he is really cheating on uDJ Zinhle with Kimberly. Atilo, do you know Kimberly? Just ask King. Where it's a place on the Northern Cape. Uyaphapha-ke lo. Phela angithi uKimberly ugeli lo kuthiwa uyena uMather Bongs achitha naye. So lona nje useyayiqinela nje. She doesn't deserve these comments. She's always so nice to everyone. And shame angikaze mina ngizomuntu ecommenta or esho ukuthi nene uZinhle ube rude kuyena. She's always like nice. It's hey bestie, this that, you know. Angikaze ngezwa lutho nje negative ngoZinhle bandla, angifuna uqamba manga. I think phase 2 bestie, being a poet. And 7,748 people agree with this. You are son. Atilo, phase 2, become a motivational speaker. Aibo abantu. Sazi wena thina skone. And sazi wena babes. Asinandaba thina no Kimberly. If this is true, guys, this is alleged. Don't come for me. Umusa Khawula oqhamuka nalezi indaba lezi angimini ngiyisusele ekhanda. You look so young without makeup. Wow, very nice bestie. Yeah, she looks good. She looks, her skin, she looks good. She's cute. Kuba njalo ma found out you turn into a motivational speaker or seek affirmations. Bafethu, hey ibhlungu bafethu indaba yokuba heartbroken. Hey abafana bayasigila. Hey ayikancane. Uthi lona, the pain in her eyes. Kwaze kwabhlungu, shame. Kodwa phela guys akuqali ngaye. I think akekho umuntu ongakaze achithelwe. Kodwa phela it's different if ezochithela in front of phambi kwabantu, like the whole world can see. The whole world now knows ukuthi yena uyachithelwa. That's a different story. And she's married, like her husband lo chithayo, it's not just a boyfriend. You guys, it's kubhlungu. At least you have money. Guys, uba heartbroken akusho imali ayicimi guys, uba heartbroken. Ngisho kuthiwa with big house, you have so many cars, you have so much money. When you are heartbroken, you're heartbroken. Ukube imali is everything. Ngabe abantu aba-rich abanazo inkinga. Athi lona ungamyeki bestie, sazi wena thina. And I don't think uzomyeka. Angiboni nje ngizwe indaba zokuthi they are getting a divorce. No, I don't see that happening. That's just my opinion. That is just my opinion, guys. Amadoda onke ayachitha. Why would you leave a man just because uyachitha? Uyamshiya and then uzomthatha apho ngaze akuchithele chomi ngoba every man cheats. Uthi lona awake weza uBeyonce ethini bestie. Exactly. Oh yeah, and uBeyonce akazasho next. Ngesikhathi uJay-Z emchithela wavele wayithulela nje. Waqhubeka nomshado wakhe buka they are still together. Athi lona, you're not the first woman to be cheated on and you won't be the last. Do you know if you feel like you want to forgive him, do it. Your happiness matters. Yeah, true. This is so true. Just look at your bank account and smile. Shame, but bazama ukumehlisa umoya. Hey, nkosi yami DJ Zinhle abe right. Kodwa yabo le ndaba kuba famous. Mo wenza nje into wrong nje umhlaba wonke uvele wazi. Mosho mawuyindoda awazi ukuchitha in peace. Because nalama side chicks akhona anezindaba uKimberly nje naye yenza ukuthi le ndaba iphume kanjani, because mo side chick you need to keep quiet mangabe side chick side chick uyimfihlo kumele ufihleke. Hey cha shame guys, I'll see you on my next one.